Hi everyone, I am Umer Gul Parray, a student of B.Sc Nursing second year. I am from Kashmir, district Kupwara. I got the admission in this prestigious university in 2022. As a student of this university, I found my academic journey both enriching and fulfilling. All the teachers are very much supportive, interactive and highly knowledgeable and have a very good research experience. They support us not only in our classroom but mentally also, not only in study but in other time where we are able to contact with our teachers when we need them. Hostels are available for both boys and girls and a very good cafeteria and also a food court is available with good food. Moreover, my experience is very great till now and I feel that I am not only the student of this university but also a part of a very big family. Thank you.